हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखने वाले हैं 56 टू 59th बीपीएससी कॉम्बाइंड कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम 2014 15 क्वेश्चंस पेपर जो कि आए हुए थे प्रीवियस ईयर के। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। थैंक यू। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट द यूनियन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर लॉन्च्ड mental health policy on. Right answer is B, 10th October. Here right answer is B, 10th October 2014. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Sansad Adarsh Gram Panchayat Sansad Yojana on. Right answer is A, that's mean the 11th October 2014. Third number, 11th Metropolis Congress was organized in Hyderabad in. Right answer is third का C, that is the October 2014. In which area was the Indo-US military exercise युद्ध अभ्यास 2014 held? ये सारे करंट अफेयर्स हैं जो कि अभी तो किसी काम के नहीं हैं, तो मैं स्किप कर दे रहा हूँ इनको। नेक्स्ट, हाउ मैनी मेंबर्स आर इलेक्टेड फ्रॉम बिहार टू लोकसभा? राइट आंसर इज डी, यानी कि 40. व्हाट इज़ द यूनिक फेस्टिवल ऑफ बिहार? राइट आंसर इज डी, यानी छठ पूजा। 10 का डी। 11th नंबर, 1 मिनट। इनमें से साहित्य का लिए नोबेल पुरस्कार प्रदान किया गया। राइट आंसर इज डी, पैट्रिक मोडियानो। 12 नंबर, यूरोपियन यूनियन देशों में से कौन फिलिस्तीन राज्य के आधिकारिक मान्यता देने वाला प्रथम कौन है? तो राइट आंसर इज स्वीडन। 14 नंबर, व्हाट इज़ द थीम ऑफ ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट 2014? राइट आंसर इज सी, दैट इज़ द फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन. Who among the following has have figured in Time magazine in 25 most influential teen of 2014? Right answer is D, यानी all. Malia and Sasha Obama and Kendall and Kylie Jenner. Malala Yousafzai. 16th, the 7th BRICS summit is proposed to be held in 2015 at. Right answer is A, that means Durban, South Africa. 17th, the International Day of Persons with Disability is celebrated on. Right answer is D, that is the 3rd December. 18th, Amnesty International is an organization which is associated with. Right answer is B, protection of human rights. 19 number, in October 2014 India has been released for 3 years as the ये विजिबल नहीं है, इसको स्किप करते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट विजिबल. Next question, which one of the following countries won the highest number of gold medals at the Winter Olympics Games held in Sochi in February 2014? Right answer is B, that's in the Russia. This is also a current affairs. I skip these all questions. Next, winner Star Tournament 2013. The winner of SAFF Tournament 2000 was. Right answer is C, that means the Afghanistan. Which award is given for the excellence in sports? Right answer is B, Arjun Award. Prince of Wales Cup is associated with the game of? Right answer is D. Any golf. Who among the following was the associated with the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? Right answer is 31 is D. V.S. Smith. Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon at. Right answer is 32 C. That is the Sarnath. Who is called the Napoleon of ancient India? Right answer is D. That is the Samudragupta. Which Chinese traveler visited India during Harshvardhana rules? Right answer is B. यानी कि हान सांग. What is the ढाई तीन का चौपड़ा? Right answer is A. यानी मॉस्को. Next. In which language was Tazuk-e-Babri written? Right answer is C. Turkish. 37. Who was the commander of Rana Pratap army in the battle of Haldigati? Right answer is C. That is the Hakim Khan. 38. Where was the capital of Shivaji? Right answer is A. Raigad. In which year was the Regulating Act passed? Right answer is C. AD 1773. Who was the Governor General of India in 1857? Right answer is C. That is the Canning. Next one, 41 is after which incident Mahatma Gandhi had called non-cooperation movement as his Himalayan blunder. Right answer is 41. Right answer is A. That is the Chauri Chaura. Which movement started after the partition of Bengal? Right answer is B. That is the Swadeshi movement. Who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Right answer is C. That is the Sarojini Naidu. Where did Madam Kama host the first tricolor flag in 1907? Right answer is D. Yani Stuttgart. Who was the founder of Nalanda University? Right answer is B. Kumar Gupta is the founder of Nalanda University. 46. At which place in Bihar Gandhiji had his first satyagraha? Right answer is A. Champaran. Who was the author of Indica? Right answer is B. That is the Megasthenes. Which Sikh Guru was born at Patna? Right answer is D. That is the Guru Gobind Singh. Who was the president of Gaya session of Indian National Congress held in 1922? Right answer is A. That is the Chitranjan Das. By which name is Jayaprakash Narayan known? Right answer is B. That is the Loknayak. Next question is which country has the largest coastline? Right answer is C. That is the Canada. The largest producer of aluminium in the world is? Right answer is C. That is the USA. The Spanish Europe Appalachians and that's mean the America Aravallis that is India are examples of. Right answer is B. That is the old mountains. Next question 54. Match the rivers which are cities through which they following and select the correct answer. Right answer 54. 54 C. That is C. यानी A to 3 यानी कि A Rotterdam is situated with the Rhine. B Paris is Seine नदी. Budapest is Danube. Washington is situated on Potomac. 55. Which is the largest metal trading center? Right answer is C, that is the London. Which of the following drainage system fall into Bay of Bengal? Right answer is D, that is the both A and B, that is the Ganga, Brahmaputra and Godavari, and Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri. Uh, Next question, 57th. The oldest oil field in India is? Right answer is D, that is the Digaboi, which is situated in Assam. In India, Yarlung Jengbo River is known as 58, that is the Brahmaputra. Which one of the following is the driest station? Right answer is C, Leh. Highest. Which among the following state has not identical tribal community? Right answer is C, that is the Haryana. Next is Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary is located at Sultanpur. C, that is the Gurgaon. Nagarjuna Sagar multi-purpose project is on which river? Right answer is D, that is the Krishna. Dalmianagar of Bihar is famous for. Uh, 65 Dalmianagar of Bihar, that is famous for cement. Next one is the how much square meters forest area is there in Bihar? Right answer is 3612 square meters. 67. The two states of India most richly endowed with iron ore are? Right answer is 67B, that is the Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. What is chiefly found at Jharia in Jharkhand? 68, that is the D, coal. 69. Which of the following town is located easternmost of Bihar? Right answer is C, Katihar. Which of the following lakes is situated in Bihar? Right answer is A, Anupam Lake. Next question is the decentralization system was recommended by? Right answer is C, that is the Balwant Rai Mehta. Mohan Mahalanobis plan model adopted in India in the mid 50s aimed at? Right answer is B, setting up heavy industries which were capitalized intensive. 73. Match the column. So right answer is B. B. That's mean the B. That's mean A. 1955 Industrial Development Bank of India, and B. 1964, that is the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, and C21 1982 Export Import Bank of India, 1987, that is the Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. 74 is also matching. So right answer is A, that is the Open General License is related with to external trade. TRISEM is related to employment. Wholesale price index is related to inflation. Cash reserve ratio is related to credit control. Next one is the controlling authority of government expenditure is? The right answer is the controlling authority of government expenditure is C, that is the finance minister. Next question is effective revenue deficit was introduced in the union budget. Right answer is 76B, that is the 2011 and 12. Interest payment is an item of D. None of the above. The HDI rank of India as per HDR 2014 is C. That's been 135. Consider the following consumer price indices. Mm, right answer is D. That is the 1, 2, and 3, 4. The consumer price index for industrial worker, consumer price index for agriculture labor. Third one is the consumer price index for rural laborer. Fourth one is the consumer price index for urban non-manual employee. What is the total production of as oilseed in India in 2013-14? That right answer is B. 43.34 million tons. India earn maximum foreign exchange by the export of C. That is the textile. Next one is the foreign currency which has a tendency of quick migration is called. Right answer is A. That is the hot currency. Which one of the following is not included in National Food Security Mission? Right answer is A. That is the oil seeds. Ad hoc treasure bill system of meeting budget deficit in India was abolished on. Right answer is D. 31st March 1997. R.N. Malhotra committee is associated with. Right answer is C. That is the insurance sector. Service tax in India was introduced in the year. Right answer is A. 1994-95. Convertibility is the rupees in India. Rupees implies. Right answer is B. That is the freely permitting the conversion of rupees to other major currencies and vice versa. Consider the following important source of tax revenue for the central government. Right answer is A. That is the 1, 2, 4, and 3. That is the right sequence. Next question. Which one of the following is the prescribed investment limit for medium enterprises in the manufacturing sector as per the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006? Right answer is C. That is more than 5 crore and less than 10 crore. What does infant mortality rate refer to? Right answer is B. The ratio of number children who dies before their first birthday out of the every 1000 live births. 91. Next question is 91. In which of the following years of the trade balance favorable to India? Right answer is 91 is B. 91 is B. 1972 to 73, 1976 to 77, 92, 92. That is the consider the following agreements. Agreements B. B. That is the right answer is 4, 1, second, and third. Consider the following statement. Right answer is the right answer is A. One only. And the statement is the Varsa Bima, the rainfall insurance scheme is managed by the Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited AICIL. 95th 95th 95th. Consider the following statement. uh, Here first statement, bank rate is the rate of the interest which RBI charges its clients on their short term borrowing. Second one is repo rate is the rate of the interest which RBI charges its client on their long term borrowing. Here right answer is D. That's mean neither one or neither two. Financial sector reform in India consists of right answer is mm, 96B. Entry of private firms in insurance sector. Which of the following is not a component of Bharat Nirman? Right answer is 97 is C. Agro-based industries. 98. According to the Planning Commission of India, which of the following are correct for the poverty line? 98 C. That is the second and third. That is the rupees 26 per capita per day in rural area, and third is 32 per capita per day in urban area. Next one is the consider the following schemes. Right answer is D. That is the second, fourth, third, and one is the right sequence in the chronological sequence. 100 is the right answer is D. That is the right answer. That is the National Agriculture Policy is 2000. Second is the Marine Fishing Policy is comes under 2004. New Foreign Trade Policy is 2014. Seventh Finance Commission comes 1978. Next question is who founded the Pagal Panth? Right answer is B. Karam Shah. Who were the Farajis? Right answer is A. Follower of Haji Shariatullah. The correct geographical location for the Ramosi uprising was. Right answer is 103 is D. Western Ghat. The Waghera uprising happened in. Right answer is A. That is the Surat. Next question is the in order to control the media in India, Act were passed in. Right answer is A. That is the 1835, 1867, 1878, 1908. 106. The process of split in the Congress in the early years of the 20th century began over. Right answer is D. All the above. Strategy of the Congress movement, objectives of the Congress movement, participation of the people in the Congress movement. New Lampas for Old was a series of articles 1893-94 that criticized the Congress for being out of touch with the proletariat. Who was the author of these articles? Right answer is A. Arvindo Ghosh. Next question is fill the blanks. The Nehru reports were drafted by the committee headed by right answer is C. That is the Motilal Nehru Constitutional Agreements in India. What was the common relationship between Catherine Mayo, Aldous Huxley, Charles Andrew, and Max and William Digby? Right answer is B. They were supporters of the Indian national movement. 1-0. Who penned the following lines? सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है राइट आंसर इज ए बिस्मिल who raised the demand of complete independence for the first time in 1921. Right answer is D. Maulana Hasrat Mohani. Identify the year those are closest out to the founding of the Communist Party of India and the RSS respectively. Right answer is B. That is the 1925 and 1925. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati formed the All India United Kisan Sabha with the demand for the nationalization of land and waterways. Right answer is C. That is the in the 1930s. Next question is fill in the blanks. In in which the right of the tenants of land and Bengal. Fill in the blanks. In which the right of the tenants on the land in Bengal and Bihar were given the Bengal Tenancy Act. Right answer is A. 1885. Right. Second one is the which round table conference held in 1932. Right answer is C. That is the third. One of the popular beliefs in Bihar during the non-cooperation movement of 1920 and 22 was that victory would come to them because Gandhi. Right answer is B. Gandhi was an accomplished politician. Next one is the who among the following was were present peasant leaders from the Bihar? Answer right answer is the A. That is the one and two. Right. That is the Swami Vidyanand and Swami Sahajanand. In which area was Rahul Sankrityan active in the non-cooperation movement of 1920? Right. Answer is A. Chhapra. Next question is which of the following statement is correct? Right answer is A. In 1857, the Maharaja of Darbhanga, Bhimrao and Hatwa and their fellow landlords helped the English with men and money. 120. Who highlighted the plight of the peasant of Champaran by writing under pseudonyms like Dukhi Dukhi Atma Dukhi Hirday? Right answer is A. That is the Pir Muhammad Munish. 121. These all are the maths questions, so I skip that all. Next question is also mathematics, so I skip it. Mm, yes, cloves are obtained from which of the following part of the plants? Right answer is 131 D. That is the dried flower buds. On cognates are on cognates are associated with. Right answer is C. That is the cancer. Which is the most reactive metal? Right answer is 130 sodium. Who synthesized the DNA in vitro? Right answer is A. Arthur Kornberg. 135. What was the fissionable material used in the bombs dropped at Nagasaki, Japan in the year 1945? Right answer is C. That is the plutonium. The scientist who first discovered that the earth revolves around the sun was. Right answer is 136 C. Copernicus. Cosmic rays. 137 C. Cosmic rays can be charged as well as uncharged. 138. Which of the following elements is found in all organic compounds? Right answer is A. That is the carbon. 139. Which of the following can cause cancer as well as cure it depending upon its intensity and use? 139 C. That is the ionized radiation. The total volume of blood in a normal adult human being is. Right answer is A. 5 to 6 liter. Typhoid and cholera are typical examples of C. That is the waterborne disease. 142. Energy is stored in liver and muscles in the form of. Right answer is D. That is the glycogen. Next is the who discovered bacteria? Right answer is D, that is the Leeuwenhoek. The reason of large scale diversity among the organism is which of the following element is found in all organic compounds? Right answer is A, that is the carbon. And next one is the who discovered bacteria? Right answer is D, that is a Leeuwenhoek. The reason of large scale diversity among organisms is right answer is D, that is the polyploid. D, what is the vermiculture? Right answer is A, the science of raising worms. The smallest organism capable of autonomous growth and reproduction is B, that is the bacteria. Next one is the 147. The first human heart transplant was performed in. Right answer is C, South Africa. 148. The average blood flow through kidneys per minute is 148. B, that is the 1200 cc. A plant bud is B, that is the an embryonic leaf. 150. Which of the following gases is used in cigarette lighters? Right answer is A, butane. That is all 150 questions which are the frequently asked the session 2014 to 15. So please subscribe and like my video and channels, please support